While inventory diminished close to last December 2025's numbers, sold property prices this report slid backwards 5.5%. Happy New Year and welcome to the first Annapolis Real Estate Report for 2026. It's Friday, January 9th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Home appreciation is expected to rise only minimally 1.6% on average. Mortgage rates are expected to stay about where they are now and hover in the low 6% throughout 2026. Available overall Annapolis inventory dramatically fell to 135 units this report, with a median list price of $639,950. 12 units are scheduled as coming soon at a median list price of $583,944. 14 homes went under contract in 31 days at a median $677,450. 13 homes sold for 96.5% list to sold ratio in 33 days, with a median sales price of $535,000. Rentals fell this report to 50 for lease at $3,000 median per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 9th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.